sitting in the garden for another Weird Wheels Wednesday. It's Blake Jackson with the Auto-Biography podcast. Today's weirdo is, I'm going to butcher it, the DKW Stromlinie Versuchswagen. So, DKW was a German car company that originally formed in 1916 when an engineer started making toy two-stroke engines for kids. It was a different time in Germany, I guess. DKW stands for Deutsche Kinderwagen. So eventually moving into grown-up vehicles, by the 1920s, DKW was the largest motorcycle company in the world. They made all kinds of vehicles, cars, trucks, they even made combines and tractors, and eventually sort of became the company known today as Audi. So they decided they wanted to get futuristic and come up with something that was really sleek. So they came out with the DKW concept Stromlinie Versuchswagen. Stromlinie Versuchswagen is German for streamlined test car. And the test failed because they never put this thing into production. Maybe a reason for that was that it looks like a transformer that turns into a dick. But even though it never made it, the legacy carries on. I'm pretty sure that Ace and Gary drive one. If you know about a weird vehicle, you think I should know about it, let me know. All the socials are on the link. Till then, keep a tarp on your load and the wheels on the road. Or other way around.